All right, so what is going on, YouTube? We are following back up on an earlier video. This will probably be in all-in-one video from where we left off in the last clip. Essentially, the last clip we were showing you guys how the charge pipe had come off, and then so we bought a replacement part for that. It is now about a week later, and we now have the part in. Thanks for clicking on today's video. Before we get started, please do not forget, like, comment,
and subscribe, boys.
Hey, let's
get this.
Show them what we working with.
Working with J&A Edits.
You already know, business official. Sent out here. VRSF approved, you know what I'm saying?
Yes.
What do we got? What do we got? A little unboxing, little unboxing.
Is this technically our first mod?
This
like
is
an actual first mod?
This is technically our first mod.
Bunch of clips and rubbers and stuff like that.
Yeah.
Some goodies. Nice thick rubbery tube.
Damn.
They don't want us to get this. VRS cup holder or boot.
Yeah,
whatever.
it's a silicone boot.
Silicone boot.
Cup holder.
Cup holder. Oh, to cover
more
the
hardware.
Yeah, more hardware. Just
Boom.
some clips.
Got some clips.
Some nice clips. Is that it?
I think that's it. That's all just packaging. Oh.
Wait. Oh, what the fuck?
Yo, look at all that. Look at all that. Damn. So for y'all that don't know, this came in like 3 or 4 different variations. This is the HKS variation because we got the HKS blowout valve, which is right here. And based off our research, HKS was the best one to go for. So, and it ain't made in China. There are fake ones. This ain't a fake one. Boom.
Since 1973, boy.
Boom. Let's get it.
It just slaps right there, and it goes.
Alright, now Junior's gonna show y'all how to install this motherfucker.
Alright. Just leave these bad boys here. Make sure we don't drop nothing. Does it come with the clip? No, it doesn't.
What clip?
The OEM clip.
No, because you're supposed to have that.
Yeah, I think I threw it away.
No shit. Yeah, like the clips are like the one thing that like everybody... Oh. Whew. He's got the OEM clip.
Whatever this called is, rubber ring. Put it in there. I give you another one. I'm assuming it goes right there. Hopefully, I'm totally good. Blow off valve will just go there. Now, this is where the tough part comes in. This gotta go somehow in there. His grandpa had some.
Oh. Yeah.
Came in clutch. Let's go in there.
Right.
And just
moving away. Or try the other way around because I don't have much grip because my hands are huge. So 30 pounds of boost. Boom! 30 pounds of boost. Oh, shit.
told you. No, because you see it's supposed to go in that little crack all the way around.
Oh, fuck. Actually, we don't know what the hell we doing. Alright, so we had it the first time, but we was just overthinking it. So now we gotta put it back on again, part 2. So we'll catch y'all once we get it back on again.
30 hours later.
I think it took us closer to an hour to get that motherfucker on. Look at the fitment. The fit.
Yeah, we fucked it all here, but it's okay. No one got to see that.
Ain't nobody gonna see that. We got paint. We got black paint somewhere. Our boy Josh can hook it up with a can.
Let's just try this.
Boom, 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 boom. Yo, bro, I'm deaf right now. I can't hear shit.
I want you to rev it.
Bro, I literally can't. I can't hear shit.
Cool.
I